Hi, friend. Whoa. I was super excited and surprised to see this gigantic Young Living box by my door this afternoon, and I was so excited. So I thought, do you want to see what's inside? I really don't know why it's so big. I know I got the Essential Rewards Ningxia Red kit because it really is the best deal for Ningxia Red by ounce. So I know that's in here, and maybe some other goodies. I also made sure that this month I stocked up on things that I needed so I can get all of the great promos or free gifts with purchase that are perfect for back to school and kids. Okay, almost opening it. There's a lot of tape on this box. Okay, here we go. Yep. All right. I believe it's the 2 or 4 pack of the Ningxia Red bottles. This is so important to keep healthy and happy and sleep well, good cells and organs, and good eyesight. So we drink this daily. And in the Essential Rewards kit for Ningxia Red, it also comes with 30 packets. And I like to do, it's easier for on the go. I put it in my lunch bag, or my kids could take it to school. And I love freezing it to be kind of like a Ningxia Red slushie. So, yay, we're gonna be healthy and happy. Now, I got a few other things, like our everyday things like dish soap. And, moisturizing conditioner, because this stuff, Copaiba Vanilla, smells so good. And it makes all of our hair, including my husband, so soft. Oh, and clarifying shampoo. So if you have a little bit more greasy hair or you need to wash more often, this one works really well. So that's half of our family. He needs the lavender mint. Okay, then I also love getting these. I needed some more. They're the roller tops that fit in either the 5 milliliter or the 15 milliliter empty bottles. So then you can make your own rollers. You save on, buying roller bottles or, reusing less trash. So you get a 10 pack, I believe, in here. Yes. So got some more of those. And oh yes, we are almost out of this charcoal bar soap. So this is great for teen skin, for anyone to just clean really well because it really detoxifies. I even like it, I keep it in the shower, and I have a section I keep for like a face wash. It's very gentle on your skin. It takes off makeup really well, and it smells like orange blossom. Okay, so now the free gifts with purchase. Because I got a lot of stuff. I think I got all these things for free. Oh, I did stock up an orange because it's one of our favorites. It's such a happy, uplifting oil. And it also comes in Vitality. So I love putting it in my water or my smoothies, and, like cooking with it like that. And I love in the diffuser. There's just so many things you need orange for. DIYing. Okay, so some of the free things I got was Sleepy Eyes. This does what it says, helps you sleep. It's a kid scent oil, so it's pre-diluted and ready to go if you wanted to put on your kids' like bottom of their feet, or maybe on their chest, behind their ears, or put a few drops on their blanket or pillow, or just diffuse it. It's like a blend of, lavender and Roman chamomile and a few other things. This is one of our favorites, Kid Power. You don't have to be a kid to love this. It really helps boost your self-esteem, and if you're scared, it's kind of like Valor. But it just smells so sweet. It has a lot of vanilla in there, so it's like an orange or lemon pie kind of. So it's a great even perfume. Yeah, I love that. Even good to sleep with. And I've been wanting to see what this looks like in person. So this is the little, if you spend 100 PV, you get this. Oh, it's so cute. It's kind of like felt and very sturdy. It's a little oil pouch. So this would be perfect to take to school. A few rollers or oils in there. Let's see how it fits. Perfect. Look at that. And maybe even the big one. And this is stretchy, so you could go like that. So with some of my old empty bottles, I might make some more rollers and let my kids bring some to school. I know my daughter always brings her peppermint and maybe Peace and Calming, or Kids Power would be great. So that's really cool. That will be even good for your favorites to put in your purse or diaper bag. Okay, some of the other free things are really handy, practical hand sanitizer and the spray. It kind of disinfects whatever you need to, any dirty areas. Those I always have in my purse, so I always use more. And then, can you believe this? The last thing in this huge box is a diffuser. I got a free diffuser, and you can too. There's still time in July to make an order. Stock up so you can get Feather the Owl diffuser. So this one is so cute, and it looks just like that. I'm not going to open it up right now for time's sake, but this part lights up, so it's kind of like a night light, and you touch its talons to like change the colors and turn it on and off. And then it's also has 4 or 5 choices for white noise machine, like music and rainforest and rain. So I think, so we already have 2 of the feathers, the owl. So I might be keeping this for like a baby shower gift or birthday, Christmas gift for kids in our families. So we'll see. Maybe we need more. If you're a teacher, this is awesome to have in your classroom because it's so cute. And I've seen teachers do like, if it's on the red, that means no talking. If it's on the green, okay, you can talk. Yellow, quiet, talk, voices, stuff like that. So I hope you got some ordering ideas or got to see what I get in my kind of regular order. And if you have any questions or want to save the most money, make sure you get on loyalty program, because after I spend all this, I get 25% back. You could start off with 10 and then 20 and then up to 25% back on anything you spend, and then you get like it's product credit. So have a great day, and let's talk health and wellness soon.